కింద నుంచి వస్తుంది ద ఇన్ఫీరియర్, పై నుంచి వస్తుంది superior. Both of them open into the
Yeah.
Right.
okay, inferior, superior. This is the right auricle. Okay, inferior, superior. This is the right auricle. They open like this into the right auricle.
Afterwards, both are united and opens into right
yes yes అంటే రెండు వేరే వేరేగా ఓపెన్ అవుతాయి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి రెండు ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా.
Auricle के लिए open का मैडम.
No no.
Separate open होता है.
See this opening.
Auricle के लिए రెండు open है. రెండు ओके सर.
రెండు ఇక్కడ. This is where they unite. Here is where they unite. And they go into the
Unite and open into.
Openings will be separate, but they unite here. You see, this is coming from down. This is coming, and this is where they unite.
That is a junction.
And that junction nunchi the blood goes into the right ventricle auricle. Sorry. Coming from the bottom, this is the inferior vena cava. Coming from the top is the superior vena cava. Okay.